Where's Daddy going? Say wait.
Wait, Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Come on, Daddy.
You're coming?
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on, Riley.
No.
Come on. Say never.
Look. Look, Mama.
What is that? A sticker.
Look.
You gonna throw it? You threw it in the bushes?
No. After a leaf.
A leaf?
I got a leaf.
All right, throw it.
Hey.
Whoa, where's Daddy going?
Wait, Mom. Wait, Daddy.
Go get him.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Come on, baby.
Daddy. You won't like it. You know, you know what like it. You I turn around.
You gonna turn around?
Riley, come look at these big old rocks over here.
Whoa, Riley, look at those rocks.
What? What?
Over here.
Go look at those rocks. Those are humongous.
What? What? And that?
Riley.
Look, Riley, can you go sit on that rock?
Okay. Mom. Mom.
You wanna sit on a rock?
Yeah.
You gonna sit there and think? That can be a thinking spot.
Need some help? Come here, sit on this one. There you go. There you go.
Mama.
You want me to sit?
Are you recording all this?
I was just gonna take a little video over. Do you like that rock? Oh, did you get some grass in your shoe? There we go. Okay, it's gone. Do you like sitting on a rock?
Yeah.
Is it relaxing? You ready to walk on?
No.
You want that? There's some more over there. You want to go find that rock?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Say bye, rock.
Bye, Mama. Mom. Mom. Mommy. Follow me.
Follow you?
Yeah.
Have you noticed she started saying follow me?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that one's wet.
That one's wet. Well,
Yuck.
pick a different one.
How about this one?
Yeah,
about
that
that
one
one?
sounds good. Cool.
How about Mama's this?
Mama's not sitting there. It's dirty.
How about that?
I don't want to get dirty either.
How about me and Daddy?
No, Riley doesn't need to get dirty either.
You got on such a pretty dress. You don't want to get it dirty.
Look, Riley, there's more rocks over here.
I know. Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go see them.
I know.
Hey, buddy, I can see just as well as you can.
Bye, rocks.
I know.
We're going to find another rock.
Yeah.